Hi, my name is Rod Wortham, President and CEO of My Network One. I would like to share with you what I think is the perfect home-based business opportunity. Over the last 2 years, we have developed a system that is not only affordable, but simple to use, and most importantly, easy to share with others. We call it direct sharing. We remove the need to be a salesperson by giving away our product for free. This proprietary product helps people save money on things they were already going to buy. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you a business that anyone can do, no matter your age or computer skills, and something you can do from anywhere. Interested? To see if you qualify for this business, we ask one simple question. Do you know anyone that is interested in saving money? If you answered yes, then you're in the right place. The internet has changed the way we do most everything in our daily lives. How we connect, communicate, do business, buy and sell products. U.S. online e-commerce will top $320 billion by 2015, and we want to offer you a way to profit from this online growth. With relationships already established with some of the top retail merchants and daily deal partners throughout the U.S. and Canada, it's time for the final piece of the puzzle, and that includes you. Whether you have looked at hundreds of online businesses or this is your first, we give you everything you need to bring in extra income for you and your family. Why did this online phenomenon sweep across North America? Because consumers have a huge appetite for saving money. With hundreds of thousands of transactions daily, totaling over 5 million a day in sales, have you ever wished you could participate in this explosion? Well, now you can. These companies are looking for partners to help them increase their exposure, and that's where you come in. We're willing to pay you 50% of the net profits. These deals are 50 to 85% off, and your family, friends, coworkers, and people that you're connected with through social media are buying deals every day. Why not from you? With over 500 stores in the M&O Mall and thousands of new deals every day, we simply show you how to share these offers with others, but that's not all. We give you everything you need. We supply the merchants, local and national deals, give you a cutting-edge way to expose these products by simply giving away our interactive home pages and mobile applications that are connected to you. Here's the best part. These offers are displayed automatically without you having to do anything. In fact, home pages like AOL, Yahoo, MSN, and Google Plus are used multiple times a day by millions of consumers. The My Network One homepage is totally customizable for the user, by the user. What's important to them, and best of all, it's always free. What if you could give something away for free that would help people save on things they were already going to buy? Besides the free home pages and mobile apps, we have an easy-to-use copy and paste share system to help you get even more exposure if you want to take advantage of social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Google+, or literally anywhere online. This is a turnkey program for a one-time setup fee of $169 and a low monthly overhead of only $34.95. Can you believe your very own online business that you can do from anywhere for only $34.95 a month? We give you full training and support and all the back office tools that you need. Now it gets even better, because as you help people save money on things they were already going to buy, they're going to want to know how they can start their own online business. You simply share the opportunity, and we give you a system for that as well. Want to know more? Take the next step by watching the How We Share video and experience the Everybody Wins Network from My Network One.